Good morning, everyone. This is Dave with Bolivar Live. Well, about 6 o'clock or so, the lights flickered at the office and I knew something wasn't going right. And this is actually a picture I took when I went out looking to see what the problem was. Lightning struck. This isn't an energy, it is an energy problem, but it's not anything they could have done. The pole got hit by lightning. It looks like you can see the fire up there. And we did get a statement from Jim that we posted right before this talking about that the crews were on their way. Well, I'm happy to say the crews are here. They're working, they're not letting up. You know, this isn't an easy task. They have to, looks like they're going to replace the pole. They've got a truck here with a pole on it off to the side. And so right now, as of last check, the last update I got about 45 minutes ago, maybe an hour, it was 3 p.m. They had said 2 o'clock and then they upped it to 3 o'clock because there's a lot of things they have to change around, and it looks like, and so I'm assuming that they're going to replace the pole. If they're not going to replace the pole, then I don't know what they're going to do. But anyway, they are out here working on it, and so, you know, hopefully in a timely manner that it'll get fixed. I know they do everything they can when this is going on, and they have to work safely. And so we just wanted to let you know this, the picture on the left there, that's what it looked like this morning burning. And it's right at Diamond Road is where it's at, across from Crystal Beach Community Church. And so everything from Beaumont Drive or really the strip center's up, but everything west of there is off. And so I walked out this morning after the power flickered and I heard a generator running over off Beaumont Drive. And I was like, well, that's odd. That's not good. And so I walked out to the highway and looked one way and to the east and saw lights on everywhere. And I turned around with my coffee in hand and looked to the west and I was like, oh, that's not good. So anyway, but they're working on it. I want to thank Swedes Real Estate for sponsoring this Bolivar Live feed and everything they do. The girls up at the office always happy and ready to help customers. And so if you're looking for a vacation rental, looking for a home for sale, or ready to sell your home, Bolivar Swedes Real Estate. And you can find them online at swedesrealestate.com. They're actually catty corner from the tourism center. They also right behind Island Liquor. You can't miss the big sign on the header there, Swedes Real Estate. And they're open, I want to say they're open 7 days a week. I think the girls are in there on Sundays too, but I'm sure if you need a realtor, you can call them and set something up for Sunday, Saturday, any day. They got a great group of people over there, and so I want to thank them for bringing us this, sponsoring this Bolivar Live feed, and for everything they do in the community. They do a lot here. They've been here for generations. So, and everyone up there works hard for their customers. So anyway, you can see they're working on the pole. The picture on the left, that's what it looked like this morning when I went out looking to see what was wrong. And we did get a statement. Hopefully power will be back on. They're estimating it around o'clock this afternoon. So doing you can, hey, cutting that pole off, maybe they're not going to have to replace the pole. So that'll be a little bit quicker then maybe. So right now we're about 11:18. So anyway, we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Once again, thanks to Swedes Real Estate for sponsoring this Bolivar Live feed and everything they do in the community. You can find them online at swedesrealestate.com. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.